In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the error code 10,000 in EA app. So there can be a few reasons why you are seeing the error code EC10000 in your EA app when you are trying to open it to play any game. So there is no confirmation given yet by the team of EA as to why this issue of EC10000 is happening, but we have come up with a few reasons that can be the issue why. So there are 5 reasons here. Maybe there is a technical bug or a glitch in the system of the EA app, or your firewall is stopping EA app from connecting to its server, or the DNS settings are not configured properly, or the VPN is enabled on your computer. And the last one is EA server is facing an outage or undergoing scheduled maintenance. So how to fix this error, EC1000 on EA app. So in this section, we will be discussing the fixes that you can try to fix the issue of EA app error code EC1000. Before you try any of the fixes, make sure that you have a good internet connection by changing your Wi-Fi connection to Ethernet. So the first fix that you can try is to log out and then log into your EA app. So this is the simplest fix that you can try when you see this error. So many players have reported that finding this simple fix has solved the issue in their devices. You could also try this and see if that helps. Okay, so the second fix is check EA server status. So it looks like this. So when you try to see your server status, this should be the picture. So make sure to check the server status of the EA system before you try to open EA app. If the server is facing an outage or any scheduled maintenance is going on, then you will have to wait for some time till the technical team fixes it, and then you will be able to open EA app. Some players have suggested that the error code EC1000 could be due to some sort of issue with the server of the EA app. So if you wait for some time, then it should get solved by itself. The third method is to disable your firewall. So firewall may at times block service requests or server connections, due to which you might not be able to open EA app. So just follow the steps below to disable your firewall. So first, go to your control panel. So I will show you an example on how to do that. In your search bar, just go ahead and type in control panel. So in here, just tap enter to open the control panel. And then open up your system and security. So from here, you have to select Windows Defender Firewall. And then you have to turn on the Windows Defender Firewall options. So you can find it there on the left side, and then click on the turn off Windows Defender Firewall not recommended button under the private network settings and public network settings. So once you're done, just click on OK and then close the window. So that's how you will do the step number 3. Now let's move on to the method 4, disable VPN from device. So VPN may be one of the primary causes of the error code. So the app might stop functioning as a result of VPNs, as they are notorious for interfering with service requests and confusing server. You may easily solve this issue by turning off your VPN. Ask your VPN provider to add EA app to its whitelist if you are unable to disable it. You can also uninstall your VPN from your computer. So this is just an easy steps. You just have to follow this one. So the fifth method is change DNS settings. So these are all the step-by-steps that you can try as I've shown you earlier. You just have to open your settings by typing settings in the search bar and then go to network and internet from the left side of the window, and then select advanced network settings. Navigate to more network adapter options. Click on properties. Navigate to internet protocol version 4. And then just type in the following DNS. Just copy the DNS here in your screen and then click OK and apply. And then the sixth method is contact EA support team. So after you have tried all the fixes above, you should be able to fix the issue of error code EC10000 in your EA app. And that's it, guys. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.